flagship all-terrain tire. So let's start. First off, we have the all-new AT318 for CST. So this is our flagship all-terrain tire, our newest flagship all-terrain tire. It's a 50-50 tire meant for 50% off-road use and 50% on-road use. So it features an all-new tread pattern. So gone are the days with the warp drive design. We have an all-new compact zigzag design with circumferential main grooves and lateral ribs. Right. So with that being said, it also features an all-new sidewall design. So this is one of CST's newest direction or newest tech. It features a tiger's tooth shoulder design. So makikita niyo po yung pinaka-sidewall niya. Meron siyang added reinforcements that's meant to deter cuts and snags during off-road operations. And it also helps kapag naka-air down situation tayo. So, bukod doon, meron po siyang fini-feature. Ito po yung pinaka-highlight namin. So, this is one of the main features of this tire is its revised casing ply. So, we are one of the few manufacturers that have a true 3-ply sidewall casing. Alright, so it's not just one sidewall casing that's wrapped around 3 times. It's actually 3 plies inside. So that really helps with the strength of the tire. It features 2 steel beds and 3 composite casing plies. So it's a proprietary composite casing ply, but it's the same or it's near the technology na ginagamit po sa mga bulletproof vests. Alright? Yeah, and with that, bukod pa po doon, it also features an extra 3mm protection outside. And these are the available tire sizes right now. Ayan po. So right now, it's only available in the LT metric or light truck metric sizing. But for those that want to prioritize comfort more, it will also be available in P metric or passenger metric sizing. So this is the full Sahara lineup right now. So we have the ATS. So for those that want a more on-road centric tire, we have the ATS. Going towards the MT2 for those that are really serious about off-roading. And then we have the Sahara AT318. That's perfect for the Filipino that works all week. Tapos pag a weekend, meron silang konting adventure. So for the customers that want a really rugged terrain tire na pwedeng gamitin sa city, medyo comfortable pa rin, tahimik pa rin. But pagka weekend, gusto nila mag-car camping, mag-overlanding, yan. Perfect po si Sahara AT318 para doon. Alright? So, short video.
If muds, rock, rain, and rough road is part of the ride, then this is the tire made for you. Ready to conquer? The Sahara AT318 grips hard across sand, soil, rocks, and muds. Built for relentless durability, it offers brutal resistance to puncture. Go further, last longer, dominate your adventure. Built with a tiger tooth shoulder design, the CST Sahara AT318 delivers enhanced traction and precise handling, especially on rocky and muddy terrain. CST Sahara AT318 reinforced sidewalls allows confident air down, delivering incredible grip, relentless traction, and complete control when the trail gets tough. Its aggressive tread pattern grips firmly on rock and mud, giving you enhanced traction, confident control no matter the conditions. The Sahara AT318, when the terrain gets tough, you get tougher.
Alright, so let's proceed with the EV tire of CST. So, starting from 2019, a total of 187 units were only sold last 2019. Ganun lang po kaunti yung EVs last yun nga. But last 2024, those sales rose up unto 18,000. So EVs now make up around 4% of total vehicle sales in the Philippines. And yung aim nga ng Philippine government is that in 2030, they're aiming at 50% ng total vehicle sales in the Philippines ay maging electric. Okay? So, ganun na po ka-advance yung EV agad sa Pilipinas in sales na. So, that being said, that being said, meron pa rin pong hard parts na discuss nga po ni Sir JP earlier. There are still pain points with owning an EV. So ano ba yung mga pain points na yan? So the first part is range anxiety. So with minimal charging stations in the Philippines, owning an EV in the Philippines is still hard kasi iisipin mo pa rin saan ba ako pwede mag-charge, meron pa tong mall na to. Pag gusto kong magkaroon ng Philippine loop, magagawa ko ba yun? And then next, with the absence of an internal combustion engine, it's very important na yung tires natin are quiet. Kasi amplified yung road noise when it comes to EVs. Walang engine, walang exhaust noise. Lahat ng vibrations, lahat ng ingay sa labas, rinig sa cabin. And then next, so with the high torque motors ng mga EVs natin, frequent replacement is imminent. Kasi pag nasa city use, kapag apak sa gas, apak sa preno, mabilis pong makascrub yun ng tires natin. And what more kapag EV na instantaneous yung torque. So with that, ito yung solution ni CST para ma-lessen yung mga pain points na yan. So let me introduce to you the all-new CST Salex EX1. So it's where endurance meets efficiency. Yeah. So what the CST Salex has is an all-new custom-made or tailored for EVs na casing plies. Yeah. It features a 20% stronger structure versus comparable tires. So whenever accelerating and braking, hindi siya ganun kabilis mag-deform. Okay? And it also features a 20% stronger nylon cap. And so again, this is to avoid deflection of the tire during added load. Okay? And it also features a diamond plate pattern design in order to keep the road noise quiet. And then one of the things to lessen road noise or yung cabin noise or to get better NVH is meron din po siyang, sorry, going back. Meron po siyang diamond behind foam technology. So this lessens yung road vibration, yung cavitation, yung any kind of noise na related sa tire. Alright, so it reduces up to 5 decibels, which is around 20% less noise. So all in all, ito po yung Salex EV. It features 10% improvement in wet braking, 5% better rolling resistance, and 3% longer tread life versus conventional tires. So right now, ito po yung vehicle fitment ni Salex. We only forgot to include yung BYD right now, but rest assured magkakaroon din po ng success for BYDs. So let me introduce to you CST's, or the last product launch of the night, CST's all-new CMSC01. So this is one of CST's sportiest tires for scooters, and so it has a racing DNA for everyday streets. So, like Sir JP mentioned, CST is also heading to a new direction. Yung mga tires natin, yung mga tread pattern natin, they are computer optimized. Dumadaan na rin po siya sa FEA or Finite Element Analysis. So they can ensure na ito po yung pinaka-maximum na tread contact patch without sacrificing yung mga siping nga para ma-displace yung motor effectively. Yeah. It also possesses a tapered groove design. So when we say tapered, maliit po yung groove din sa harap, palaki ng palaki. So this is effective during cornering. So pag nagka-corner, nalalessen yung flex ng tire and it ensures na mas consistent yung handling niya. And so it also features enclosed shoulder groups, which also improves cornering feel. So being one of CST's sportiest tire, its tread profile is very much optimized. So just like its competitors, or unlike its competitors, sorry, very sporty po yung pinaka-profile niya. So its compound is optimized for daily use, but its profile or yung pinaka-shape po niya is V-shaped. So it's sporty in nature. Unlike its competitors po, even though it's an everyday use tire, the handling will be more sport-oriented. Yeah. So what we're showing here is that compared to the previous model or yung mga previous generation ng mga everyday use tires, which are more rounded, the CST CMSC01 is more V-shaped, or kumbaga, mas aggressive yung shoulder pattern niya or yung shoulder design niya, in which onting input niya lang po sa handlebars, mabilis na agad siya mag-turn. So, kumbaga, we're mentioning this kasi we're trying to introduce a tire that is still for enthusiasts, pero pwede siyang gamitin everyday. Hindi siya mabilis mapulpot. Okay? So, like Sir JP mentioned, right now in the industry, very, marinig nito, lagi nyo marinig, maraming high silica. So, sa amin, sa CST, we've introduced a proprietary compound which uses silica as an additive. But, ayun nga po, yung design niya, sporty, high silica yung compound, it will ensure na tire magiging durable pa rin, but i-hug niya yung mga grooves sa ground while still being elastic. Okay? And so, we're positioning the CST CMSC01 as a city tire na medyo sporty pa rin. Okay? So, it's a city touring tire din as well. But, sporty yung characteristics niya. Right? So, it's a high mileage tire, pero sporty yung yung feel niya. Okay? So, to back all of that data up, yung sinasabi ko kanina na high mileage tire siya, we have been conducting tests locally. Okay? So as part of the engineering team's endeavor, or kumbaga, ako nga po ay isang engineer, ang ginagawa po namin before this launch is tinest na po namin yung tire right here in the Philippines with real-world usage. So we have employed, or kumbaga, nagbigay kami sa mga riders ng tires namin at no cost sa kanila. And then, we have not given them any kind of special instruction. Hindi kami nagsasabi na mag-ingat po kayo, ito lang yung ruta niyo na pwede. We have given them to real Filipino riders. Right? So ito po, papakita ko po. Sample lang ito. After this presentation, we can share the data with you. We will be transparent on how we conducted the tests and kung ano ba yung naging ruta nila, ano yung naging feedback nila. Alright? So first off, ito po yung namin. First sample ng rider namin. Si Mr. Michael Bandagosa. So we have given him an SCO1 and he works for Angkas. Ang ruta po niya, he works from Mandaluyong and full-time Angkas rider po siya. So wala po siyang pinipiling booking. He rides from Mandaluyong to any point of GMA and umaabot siya ng around 150 kilometers per day. So starting from a tread depth of 4 mm, in a span of 1 month, he has ridden around 4,600 kilometers. And after riding 4,600 kilometers, he still has a remaining tread depth of 3.13 millimeters. Okay, so wala po kaming binigay na special instruction sa kanya. The only thing that we have instructed him is, sana po pag bumibiyahe siya, check yung pressure. Not necessarily magpahangin lagi, but i-check lang yung pressure. Ayan. So, minamaintain lang ngayon 33 PSI front and rear. So, yun nga po, after riding a month, yung napudpud niya is around 0.9, 0.8 millimeters lang. And we have given him a projected kilometers, or yung mararan niya total is around 17,000 kilometers. Now, that's a far cry from the Philippine average, or from what we have researched na 8,000 kilometers lang. So that's double ng standard sa Philippines. Okay? So next. Ayan. So ito si Mr. Ruel naman, medyo mababa yung data namin sa kanya since he is not a full-time rider. Okay? So si Mr. Ruel, he also works for Angkas, or ginagamit din niya ang Angkas na PNBS. But he has a day job. So from 8 to 5, meron po siyang day job. And then after ng kanyang shift, nag-aangkas pa po siya, naghahanap siya ng booking. So, from Imus po si Sir, but bumibiyahe rin siya papuntang Mandaluyong, Mandaluyong and papuntang airbase. So, meron po siyang day shift, 8 to 5, and then after nun, nag-accept po siya ng bookings. He travels around 130 kilometers per day using his Honda Click. And after 1 month, nakaubos siya ng 0.8 mm. Ayan, so tinakbo po niya 3,600 kilometers. So we